Idol, how can I start to gain muscle and burn fat? Start ka from a calorie deficit and then walking 10 minutes a day and then kinabukasan, weightlifting 15 minutes and then yun. Slowly but surely, gaganda yung katawan mo. Magre-recomp ka, magkaka-muscles ka, maglulose ka ng belly fat, mawawala yung taba, yung loose skin, mapapalitan ng muscles, sisikip pa rin. May nagtanong naman, creatine ba before workout and after workout? Isang beses lang creatine, 5 grams. Pero kung marami kang budget, okay lang up to 10 grams kasi may benefit rin siya sa brain function bukod sa hydrating the muscles. Any time of the day, take it every day. Yun na yung creatine. And then babae ako, gusto ko mag-lose ng weight. Anong gagawin? Fastest way is calorie deficit or fasting. Dapat mas konti yung kinakain, mas marami yung galaw para ma-burn na energy. Ngayon, kung madagdagan ka ng muscle through working out, magkakaroon ka ng muscle, mas maraming calories ang mabuburn pag may muscle tayo. Kaya nga, prioritize ang muscle building and then konting walking and then calorie deficit number 1. Tama kayo, mali ako, I'm not your doctor. Do what works for you. Happy, healthy guys. God bless.